What's going on, guys? God damn. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a little bit of a sad day. Robert is gonna be partying out, getting rid of his car, and he's gonna be getting a bike. He's getting rid of all his stuff. So you'll be seeing a lot of stories on what's for sale. Carbon fiber hood that he had already sold, along with the fenders, which I picked up. So we are gonna be installing that today on my 22 WRX. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. All you really need to do is remove these. Well, obviously I'm gonna have to remove the fender shroud, remove my bumper again, and then there's a couple bolts here, 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 down there, and then one behind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that removed, and then we'll go ahead and install the carbon fiber fenders. The only issue is this right here, which yes, it does bug me, but it is what it is. And then this part right here, it happened during shipping, so nothing that Albert did, you know. So yeah, let's go ahead and start installing these. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the front bumper. There we go. To remove it, it's gonna be these two bolts up here, one back here, and then Albert knows how to do this. So.
Remember, there's a screw right here too that comes off.
Albert knows what's the deal is. So one there, there's one there, and then one right here, which I'll go ahead and bring you guys along because I feel like you guys are just like, what the heck is going on? So point out which ones.
Here, here, and here.
All right. We're gonna go ahead and remove this little pillar right here. Just like that. That's how Daddy does it.
So then this screw comes off.
This car, this shit has more fucking horsepower than I do fucking.
Like that. And then which one?
That's inside.
What did you just say? Say it on the mic. Say it on the mic.
You want me to hold it open so you can stick it in there?
That's crazy.
Oh, so when I say something.
When I do, it's fine. So, that's it.
Snap your fingers in front of the car so you do it again and make a cut.
All right, so just like that, we are gonna get it removed and.
Just looking at it right now, it should look
Yeah, I
solid.
say go to the wheel because they're black and
Let's see how it looks. I don't know. Watch it fall off. Let's see. I think that looks sick.
Dude, it looks badass, bro. It looks fucking...
So now we need to transfer everything over. So we'll go ahead and remove this. And then all you need to do, these clips right here. And then, yeah, should be it. No mames. All right, guys, so we finally got it installed. I am not too sure what I think about it. I like it, but then again, I don't, so I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I definitely think it looks good. It looks aggressive. And I am gonna get the carbon fiber fender flare, so we'll end up switching that out. I don't know. What do you guys think?